Let's look at Chapter 7, Lesson 9 Extension, Making Equivalent Fractions. Complete the sentences. Number 1, 9/18 equals 1 what? So it looks like my fraction is going to be reduced, making it smaller. So if I'm reducing, I'm going to be looking for GCF, because then I can go ahead and divide the top and the bottom by the same number. Now looking at this, I want to think about 9 and 18. You can either write out the factors. So for 9 I would have 1 and 9, and 3 and 3 would be it. For 18 I have 1 and 18, 2 and 9, and then I have 3 and 6. The highest factor in this is going to be 9. So I'm going to divide the top by 9. 9 divided by 9 is 1. And the bottom by 9. 18 divided by 9 is 2. Keep your work for your greatest common factor. Let's look at number 2. 9/27 equals 1. So I want to think about, what did I divide 9 by in order to get 1? So 9 divided by 9 equals 1. So what I do to the numerator I have to do to the denominator. 27 divided by 9 equals 3. The same thing. 6/8 equals 3 what? What did I do to the 6 in order to get 3? And I know that I divided 6 divided by 2 equals 3. And I have 8 divided by 2, because whatever I do to the numerator I have to do to the denominator, which equals 4. Let's look at number 4. 15/75 equals 5 what? So what did I do to 15 in order to get 5? And I know 15 divided by 3 equals 5, so 75 divided by 3. And if you don't know right away, you can put 75 in the house and divide it by 3. You're going to end up getting 25. Make sure that you have all of your division work so I know exactly what you were doing. Number 5, 3/21 equals 1 what? So looking at that, 3 divided by what equals 1? 3 divided by 3 equals 1. Do the same to the denominator. 21 divided by 3 is going to equal 7. 18/30 equals 3 what? 18 divided by what equals 3? 18 divided by 6 equals 3. Do the same to the denominator and you get 5. Numbers 7 through 12 might be a little tricky, but the pictures will help you. So for number 7, we need half of 1/2 is what? So looking at this, 1/2 is already blocked off for you. Go ahead and cut it, because you just want half of it. What would this one block be? 1/4. Half of 2/7 would be what? So take the picture and go ahead and divide it. And you can see that you have 1/7. Number 9, half of 3. So look at 3. The X is marking half of it. So I know that it's in between 1 and 2. It would be 1 and 1/2. Half of 1/3. You can look at this picture and you can go ahead and cut each piece into half. Now you can see that half of 1/3 would be 1x, or one triangle piece. So that would be 1 out of how many? 6. Number 11, if I wanted half of 3/4, I'm going to use this line and just take the top part of it, would be 3 shaded out of 8 total. Number 12, I have half of 1/5. I'm going to cut the circles in half, and I only want half of the shaded part, so it'd be 1 out of 10.